What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can send feedbacks to Gemini AI. So let's get started. So firstly you need to be in this particular platform. This is Gemini AI platform. So how you get here is firstly just go to Gemini's let's say website over here. And then from here this will be the option which says chat with Gemini. Just go over here and it will redirect you directly to this Gemini AI platform. So as you want to send the feedbacks, what you're going to do is on your left hand side you'll be having these menus. So just go on help and then on this help again, and a small prompt will open over here, and then just go all the way down and you can choose this report a problem option. And now here is the feedback box where you can write or let's say describe about your feedback. So I'll just say nice one, thank you, thank you, and then you can send it over here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment if you have any queries with us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.